Hi there, Kevin Pauls from Meridian Manufacturing. Today I want to talk about our flagship product, the Smoothwall bin. Did you know that Meridian was the first to create the Smoothwall hopper bin back in 1965? Since then, we've grown a lot, with 5 manufacturing facilities across North America and thousands of bins rolling out every year. If you drive through the prairies, you've probably spotted our bins on farms everywhere. The very first bin was designed to prevent hog feed from spoiling, but then it quickly became popular because they were so easy to clean and kept the contents dry and protected. Now, Meridian is the largest manufacturer of this style of bin on the market. Our bins are known for their high quality, excellent resale value, and the wide variety of options we offer. One thing that really sets us apart from our competitors is that our bins are powder coated. Powder coating offers a lot of great benefits like longer life, faster cure time, and superior corrosion resistance. So what exactly is powder coating? It's a process where a dry coating is applied to a surface using an electrostatic charge. Then we heat the coated object in an oven, causing the powder to melt and form a tough, durable finish. What makes it stand out is how thick and resilient the coating is. Once it cools, it's fully cured and much more durable than wet paint. Plus, you don't get those drips or blemishes that you sometimes see with wet paint, and the coating is more uniform. Now, we've heard some people in the industry talk about wet paint, trying to compare it to powder coating. They'll say things like, well, look at the automotive industry, they use paint. But here's the thing, does that look like a car to you? Bins and cars are two totally different things. The only trip our bins take is from our facility to your farm. And here's the real truth, powder coating is a more expensive investment up front for manufacturers like us. Those big ovens don't come cheap. But it's an investment we've made to provide you the high quality products you expect when you invest your farm's hard-earned money. We've been powder coating since the late 90s, and we've put them through rigorous quality tests over the years. If you need proof, just take a look at some of our old Wheatland, Friesen, or Store King or other bins that have been out in the field for nearly 30 years. That original powder coating still going strong. Yes, wet paint has its benefits, especially when it comes to edge coverage. But when it comes to the bulk of the bin, those Smoothwall's powder coating really shines. If anything, I'd rather touch up the edges of a leg or a side gate, which can be easily replaced, than the tank itself, especially when it comes to the inside of a fertilizer bin. We've seen how well our powder coating holds up inside and out for decades. At Meridian, we're not going to sell you on gimmicks or follow what other industries are doing. We're here to show you the quality we've been delivering for decades. Again, what we're talking about here is quality, long-lasting products from Meridian Manufacturing. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Kevin Pauls. We'll see you again next time.